Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm proposing a new smart contract very similar to baked beans that at least to me has given good profit. The theme is not about beans, it's about roast beef. The functioning of the smart contract is the same. We deposit BNB in the smart contract and we are going to receive daily a profit up to 10%. There are certain rules to be followed, and in this video we are going to explore together the rules of this smart contract, and then we kick off the investment, linking our wallet to this smart contract, doing the first deposit, and then in the next days we are going to monitor how the smart contract is working. We are going also to verify the status of the smart contract in BSC scan to see if the smart contract is still having BNB to be distributed among the players. Before starting, I remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not providing any investment advice. Whatever I'm proposing in this video is not the way of becoming rich, it's a way of spending my time while testing for fun this platform. I'm doing it utilizing money that I can afford to lose, so that's why I'm investing them, being aware that on the web nothing is granted, so it might happen that investment doesn't go in the right way. So in case you wish to invest or to try this platform, you can find in the YouTube video description the registration link. But I recommend you always to study the project, understand the mechanism of the investment, and invest only money that you can simply spend and forget about. Don't miss also to leave a like to this video and to subscribe to the channel, because it's very important for me, but of course do it only if you like the video and if you are interested to follow similar content about this sort of platform. Let's start the project presentation going through the white paper. I will scroll the page and highlighting to you the main point. The first point is the smart contract is working in Binance Smart Chain. So we must have a wallet connected to Binance Smart Chain. You will see in the video that I'm using MetaMask. We must have BNB available in the MetaMask to cover the initial investment and the gas fee. Daily we are receiving the 10% and we receive the 13% for every referral. The 10% is going to be received as long as we are respecting some specific anti-whale rule that is set in the contract. So the platform is having a mechanism that is avoiding whales. So people that are investing big capital and would keep withdrawing. The platform is made in a way that whoever is following 6-1 strategy, so withdrawing, rebaking, reinvesting 6 times and withdrawing the 7th time, are rewarded by receiving a constant daily return of the 10%. People that are simply not following this rule are going to be penalized, and daily they are not going to receive 10% but a reduced percentage. We can deposit as much as BNB that we want. There is not a minimum deposit. For every operation related to depositing and withdrawing, we are going to pay a 3% of gas fee. So all other characteristics of the smart contract will be shown in the next part of the video. Let's have a look now at the audit report of the smart contract and at the current status of the smart contract that can be verified in Binance in the BSC scan. Just a few words about the smart contract. The smart contract is an algorithm that has been developed, fixed by the developer, and cannot be anymore changed. This smart contract is having a simple rule. All the players who are participating, who are depositing, are going to receive daily a reward equal to 10% as long as they respect the 6-1 rule. The smart contract has been also audited by AIDS Security the audit report is available, and let's say there are no criticality that has been highlighted, and the smart contract has been classified as not vulnerable. So it's somehow safe to invest, and somehow this report is also telling us that it's impossible to assist at the rug pull events where the developer ran away with all the money deposited. If we search the smart contract into BSC Scan, there is a link also in the home page of the project. I will show you later on where to go directly in this page. And we look for analytic BNB balance. We can see the total number of BNB available in the smart contract to be distributed among all the players. Currently, the total number of BNB available is over 9,000. And here we can also appreciate that this is not an old project, it's a new project, started about 10 days ago on the 16th of April, and it's just launched, so it's something that I'm expecting going to become popular in the next period. By using the link available in the YouTube video description, we can access to the project. The homepage of the project is presenting all the main facts. So the project is a smart contract working in BNB. Daily we are going to receive a return of the 10%. The fee for withdrawal and deposit are equal to the 3%. And we also access directly to the white paper of the project and to the audit report that I showed before. By clicking here, we can go to the BSC Scan page related to this smart contract. Now, if we want to start the investment in this smart contract, the first things to do is to have our MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that you're using connected to Binance Smart Chain and unlock it. Then we have to click on Connect Wallet and authorize MetaMask to connect to this smart contract. So in my case, the MetaMask wallet was locked, so I proceed unlocking it. And then I'm expecting to receive a request for authorization from MetaMask. So here it is, we sign, we confirm the connection, and now as we can see here, my MetaMask wallet is connected to roast beef. If you want to know more about MetaMask, how to install it, I kindly ask you to refer to the playlist dedicated to MetaMask that is available in this YouTube channel. I'm posting here on the top right of the screen also the link. Let's proceed now with the deposit. So first of all, we need to be sure that inside our MetaMask wallet we have enough BNB to cover the investment that we want to do and the gas fee that we are going to pay because we are operating into the Binance Smart Chain. So I have enough MetaMask, enough BNB to cover what I'm going to do. In order to invest, so in order to deposit our BNB into the smart contract and then start receiving the 10% every day, we must go here and insert the amount that we want to invest. In my case, I'm going to invest 0.1 BNB. Then the process is very simple. We simply click on roast beef. Now we have 0 as a beef available. MetaMask is going to request us to confirm the gas fee to be paid in order to do this transfer. So the gas fee are equal to are here 0.001. Okay. So the total that we are going to pay is 0.1011. Okay, whatever it is, we do this investment. Now, as soon as the transaction is completed by MetaMask, we will see that we are going to receive some BIF. These BIF are proportional, of course, at the amount of BNB that we have deposited, and from now on we are going to receive a reward. This reward is going to grow up by the time until reaching the 10% after 24 hours. From this moment onwards, the number of BNB that we are going to receive will keep growing up. So the main action that we can do after tomorrow or anytime, because these rewards are our, we can even withdraw now, but it's having no sense since there is a small amount. What we can do, we have two options. We can re-roast, so take these rewards and put them back in the smart contract, so increasing the number of BIF, increasing so the invested capital, or we can withdraw by clicking on it BIF. Personally, I will stick to the rule of the developer, so I will reinvest for 6 times and withdraw the 7th time. Here also you can see the referral link that you can share with your friends in case they want to try this platform. You are going to receive a 13% of their deposit. So with this I can close the video, because the mechanism of this platform, this smart contract, is very simple. There is nothing else to say. I will do other video in the future just to prove that everything is working fine. If you want to test this platform or invest on it, I recommend you to do first of all your own due diligence, because you must always invest using your consideration, not what you see in the video, and invest always capital that you can afford to invest, and consider it lost. Whatever it comes, it is coming as a passive income. You can find in the YouTube video description the registration link, and for any other information required you may contact me on Telegram. Thank you. I remind you as well that in the YouTube video description you can find also the link to join the Telegram community and the Telegram official group of this YouTube channel, where you are free and welcome to join and interact by raising questions, queries or requests for support. I kindly ask also to leave a like to this video in case you liked it, and to subscribe to this channel in order to be always updated about any future news.